In fact, I'm not even gonna put butter on it because they are just so warm. Oh. See, look at this is why I like chocolate chunks instead of chocolate chips. I think the chocolate bars, they just melt so much better. And ooh. Banana and chocolate, how can you go wrong? So good. Okay, I am prepping. I'm Amy Roloff in Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, and I am prepping to make, look at this, very ripe bananas. That's what you want in order to get that banana flavor and the moistness and everything else that makes banana bread, banana muffins, banana everything good. So I'm gonna match these, and I'm taking this wonderfulness over to Zach and Tori's house. Yeah, here we go. I had to fix my camera, people. And guess what? I'm even filming today too for our show. So that's what makes this even a little extra fun. So I have 3 cups of flour. Instead of chocolate chips, I am going to just cut up baking chocolate. I've got 2 eggs, 1 cup of oil. I have a large, let's just say a large 1 cup of sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar, some sour cream, baking powder, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. I'm just a fuzzy background.
Fuzzy background. Yeah, because you mentioned that, you know, you taking some stuff over Zach and Tori, so Amy's taking up some stuff, and we're going to be in the neighborhood, we've got the stuff.
So, I don't really like cream the bananas. I, you know, if there's little chunks of banana pieces, I think that's even better. So I've got that all mashed up. And then I am going to get a bigger bowl to mix all of this up. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying it. And I would really appreciate it if you liked it and subscribed to it. And oh, don't forget to click that little bell up there and you'll be notified of future videos that are new and coming on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for that. And I would really appreciate it if you shared the video and let other people know and encourage them to subscribe and like the videos as well. So anyway, thank you, and back to the video. So we are in my little kitchen, and like I said, look at those people. We're filming. There's Chris. He's getting ready. Oh, where is he? Can you say hi, Chris?
Hi.
We're getting ready to film a scene, but I've got to do banana chocolate chip muffins to take on over to Zachary and Tori's house. So anyway, well, today is a hectic day. I had 1 Zoom call meeting. Then the second Zoom call meeting I just absolutely loved, because I was reading to preschoolers in Kentucky. Oh, I so miss teaching preschool. I think if not doing the show ever ends, I would hope that I could find a job or something to do in the local schools, because I just miss it. I miss kids, I miss reading to them. So that was a really fun thing for me to do. And the other fun thing to do is be in my kitchen. So anyway, what we're gonna do first, let me get a fork.
You're good now, Dan.
Like I said, we have 3 cups of flour. I'm gonna mix in the baking powder. I think 1.5 teaspoons. Oh my gosh, I forgot what I did. I think it's 1.5 teaspoons and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. This will kind of help make the banana chocolate muffins a little fluffy. A little bit of salt, kind of balance some of the sweetness out. There we go, we got the flour all done. Now we gotta go for our liquid. So I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. And I'm really doing this all by hand. I'm not gonna use my mixer or something.
Oh yeah, I don't think we're whipping it. We gotta prove it in half, the sheet outside of it. So I need to uncrack the
I'm gonna break up the sugar so it's mixed up a little better. And I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. So I got my sugar mixed in. If you find some hard pieces of brown sugar, just take them out. It's all good. I don't know why. It's hard. There we go. And like I said, I think typically I would probably do this part with a mixer, but because we're filming in my house right now and the noise and everything like that, I decided not to, but to do it by hand. So either use a whisk or a fork and really just try and blend in the eggs into the sugar. See, here's our little hard piece of brown sugar. Okay, I'm gonna add in the oil, mix that up. And I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream, like really 2 big heaping teaspoons of sour cream. I think it adds moisture. I think it makes the banana muffins taste better. It's creamy and also a little tartness. I was debating between this or Greek yogurt, but I think Greek yogurt in this particular thing, the way I'm doing it, has a tendency to maybe dry it out, take up some of the moisture. And we don't want that. We want nice, moist banana chocolate chip. Oh yeah, see that? I'm gonna add in the bananas. Now I may be doing this a little differently just because of time, but I'm gonna go ahead and add in my bananas to this. And you know me, I'm a big fan of getting every little bit out of the bowl. Just slowly incorporate that into your egg sugar mixture and oil. So before I add in the flour, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my chocolate so that this doesn't sit too long. And like I said, you can use chocolate chips. I just really prefer these chocolate bark or whatever you wanna call it, because they melt better. I think they melt better. And they're still soft when you're done cooking. Okay, let me get a knife. I'm just gonna cut them in big chunks. You know, we want to be able to see the chocolate in these muffins. And I'm gonna use 2 of these, so that would be 8 ounces. I might add more. I'm gonna eyeball it. This out of the way. And these muffins will take about 20 minutes And sometimes I use, you know, I grease my pan. Sometimes I use muffin cups. And so today I'm gonna use muffin cups because I think it'll be easier for Jackson and those guys to take on their on a drive or just whatever they want to do, instead of having to have an extra bag to keep them all moist. I'm just looking for the bigger chunks. Because Chris and I are trying to watch what we eat and our weight a little bit and not eat so much of this goodness that I make, I often leave a few muffins for us and then I'll take the rest over to my kids. And because the bananas are so sweet, they're so ripe, that's why it's great to use very ripe bananas because you get a lot of their sweetness. I am using 60% instead of semi-sweet. I really like that. Just that little hint of that bitter chocolate against that nice sweet banana flavor, I think is wonderful. But you can use milk chocolate, you can use semi-sweet chocolate chips or whatever you want. I think it all works. Oh, here, I'll put it all in here. I knew I had this out for a reason. Okay, on to the next. I don't know, I like chocolate. I like chopping up the chocolate. And one of the reasons I'm using this too is because Chris really likes dark chocolate. And so do I. And to tell you the truth, dark chocolate always reminds me of my mom because my mom really loved dark chocolate, anything dark chocolate. I would have to say she was the one that always had the dark chocolate pieces of candy out in a little dish. So dark chocolate always, so when I bake and use anything that's dark chocolate, it reminds me of my mom. So this is my second chocolate bar. And my little dog here, Felix, loves to stand right by me just in case I drop something, but as we all know, dropping chocolate on the floor is not good. So he keeps me company in the kitchen. And then Chris usually joins me in the kitchen when it's all done. But the one thing I'm really grateful for him is that when I make dinner and everything, he cleans up. So I'm really appreciative of that. Okay. Yeah, I think this is going good. I know Zachary's not much of a sweet person, but I'm hoping that this'll he'll have one of these and like it. And Tori and I think this is even something that Lila can eat too, so this is going to be a family affair. This is a nice little treat, hopefully. I have to be quiet because they're filming. See my crew.
Am I part of your cooking video?
You are. Because we're filming while I'm baking
I want to get mad at
as well. Oh, okay, yeah, go ahead. Yes, you are part of my cooking. Because I always like you a part of my cooking thing, babe. Hello. Oh, wait a minute. You're calling Matt? What?
Yeah. Should I go in the other room?
Oh, brothers.
Well, since we're going to be in the air.
Well, like I said, it's a lot better that he's able to converse with him than not want to be a part of anything. Okay, guys, we were filming, but I already added the flour into the mixture, so Chris has got to go do a couple of errands.
I have errands to do. I have chores.
So I'm going to save a couple of these muffins for us.
A couple for me.
It's that tickle.
No, she's not sick.
No, it's that tickle in your throat. Doesn't it just, oh, I hate it.
Swallow a couple.
Yes, can I? Oh, good
yeah.
thing that did not happen when I was reading to the preschoolers.
Yeah.
You know?
So the
banana.
fact that it's happening in front of there doesn't matter.
Well, no, here too, but I'll edit it. Anyway. Bye. Thanks, babe. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the dark chocolate. And for banana muffins, because, you know, this is like quick bread, banana muffins or anything like that, you just want to fold them in there. You definitely don't want to over mix it. But I also want to make sure that there's a chocolate mixed into every part of this banana mixture. Because who wants a banana muffin without a chocolate piece? At least one. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay. See, I told you, I get every little bit off because why go through all this stuff and half of it stuck to the spoon or something? Okay, do I have a spoon here? Yeah, I got a spoon here.
So Amy, we need to do an OTF with you.
Okay.
Want to get those in?
Yeah, can I just get these in because I don't want this to sit too long.
Absolutely.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just fill this up with paper cups because that'll be another item, another thing that just saves time. All right. Now, if you wanted to, you could probably add a little peanut butter in this too. Ooh, peanut butter chocolate chip muffins. Wouldn't that be good? Or you can even add nuts to this too, but because I'm giving this to Zach and Tori and kids, I didn't want to put nuts in it. I'm just gonna, well, I might have filled that one a little bit too much. But I'm just gonna try and fill it about 3/4. Whoa. Maybe this is too big of a spoon. Okay, here they go, into the oven. Oh yeah, see? Ew. So as always, because I too often burn things or over bake them, I'm gonna use my little handy dandy timer. Check them for about 15 minutes. We'll probably have to go longer, but anyway. So I'll see you back here in about 20 minutes. Okay, hi, I just took the banana chocolate muffins out of the oven, and it did probably take close, for me anyway, take closer to 20 minutes. So, oops, let's give this a try. They're still so warm, and I know I would let them cool a little bit more because it'll be a lot easier to take them out of these paper things, paper cups. Oh yeah, not too bad. In fact, I'm not even gonna put butter on it because they are just so warm. Ugh. See, look, this is why I like chocolate chunks instead of chocolate chips. I think the chocolate bars, they just melt so much better. And ooh. Banana and chocolate, how can you go wrong? So good. So you can find this recipe over at amyroloffslittlekitchen.com or on my YouTube channel, Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. So from my little kitchen to yours, I hope you make them, enjoy. Let me know what you think or any other recipes you want me to come up with or even try. So anyway, thanks for joining me.